Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going, guys? I have bought the curve kicker pack. I've been looking for a curve. Really, I wanted a U-turn, so this is pretty cool because this is an adjustable curve. You can either make this U-turn like this, or this side here can open up to various degrees, giving you a lot of options. Now over here, let's put this box to the side. The curve kicker pack. So here's the U-turn, and as you can see, I'm going to show you here in a second, you can adjust this side. It'll give you all these degrees to where you want to turn. Want to make it a complete left turn, a little bit or whatever. You can see all the options you get. Pretty cool. It does come with 2 tracks, and it brings four of these connectors. So you have 2 connectors for the 2 pieces of track that connect to the curve kicker, and then you have 2 extras so you can connect more tracks if you buy more tracks. It does come with the fast fish right here. The fast fish. Let's give him a little look-see. And the fast fish is one of those cars that's supposedly best for track. And here are the markings on the fast fish. Made in Indonesia. All right, so this is the car that we get with the set. It is on the box right there, except the one on the box has different graphics on it, but it is the fast fish. And there you see the curve kicker pack. Now it does bring an instruction sheet, and it also comes with this little map. It says ready, set, build, and these are a bunch of sets put together. And if you look on over here, this is the curve kicker right here. So you get 1 piece of track here and 1 on this side. It brought 2 orange pieces. It did not bring a yellow one, so this might be part of this track right here. I think this one right here is just 1 set you can buy. You can buy all these small sets and then build it and put them together. And there's 3 different, they have the build or the stunt sets or the boost sets. So this one's considered a boost set because it does have a booster. So you cock this over here, and now it's ready to go. Once the car hits here, it'll boost it. This will spring out and push your car even faster. So as it comes into the curve, it's gonna shoot out pretty fast. So here it is, and it's a boost set, the curve kicker, and then you can just create your own track how you want to, build and rebuild your track builder system. So pretty cool. And then let's check out the instructions real quick. This is the instruction sheet, Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited. And then you see the car coming in and out. And it's just 1 page, the parts, how you connect it. So I already did these connections. Now I added right here a piece of foam so the car won't fly off my desk. So I'll show you that in a second. And so the car should bounce back. 4 connectors, 1 car, 2 pieces of track, and the curve. I love that I can create a U-turn because that's what I really wanted for whenever I'm using having it placed on a tight spot or whatever. I can use the U-turn, have the car come back. Well, that's pretty cool. I was hoping they would make something like that, and finally they made this one, a U-turn. Just what I needed. So let me move the camera. It's gonna be a little shaky, but here is the veranda that comes around, or the railing, and it connects underneath the track really easily. It just snaps right in there, right under here, and clicks in on there. You see the 2 connectors on the bottom there. Very cool. Now let's see how many cars will work with. I don't know if all cars will work with this. Let's go ahead and try the complete U-turn, which is totally closed U-turn shape, and see if this works. And I'll just send the car down the track. It's got to have a little speed to activate this here, and then the lever will come out and push him. Oh wow, that works perfectly. And my little foam piece also worked really good. I just taped, got some blue tape, painter's tape, and I put a piece of foam there on the edge, and you can see I just put tape right over so that he'll bounce back. And wow, it's pretty fast. You can hardly even see the car. It goes so fast. That's what's so hard about filming cars on the track. You got to be able to slow down your footage because it's so hard to film them. They go so fast. Hot Wheels are truly fast. So again, let's go ahead and try a different car. Let me grab one from my collection here and see if it works on every car or only on the Fast Fish. Let's see, let's try a race car. Let's try the Ford GT Mark IV and the GT40 and see if this works. Let's give him a little, I'm just giving him a little flick with my finger. Nice, it works perfectly. You can hardly see him. He went so fast. That's pretty cool. So this one works. So I got two that I can use on there. Let's try, let me see. How about the little Mazda Miata? Will that work? Little convertible, let's see. Let me just flick him from here and see if that would work. So you can see him. There he goes. Yeah, that works too. Wow. So it works on the Mazda. Let's get another one. Let's see, let's try the Toyota Celica. There we go. And every time you gotta get it cocked back in place, that's the problem probably with this. That you have to be able to come back to it and fix it before the next car comes. Nice. Wow, it works really great. Now if another car was coming, what would happen? Let's see, if a car was coming behind him, yeah, it will just get stuck there. So that wouldn't be good, but the Toyota Celica works just fine. Let's try another car, maybe a bigger car. I don't know if this will work, but let's try the 55 Chevy for the curve, for the U-turn. There we go. Hey, it worked. Wow, that's amazing because it's a pretty long car. I thought it would get stuck in the U-turn, but it worked just fine. And let's see. Here's a long, heavy one. A lot of metal on this car. The Nova. Oh no, the 70 Chevelle wagon. I called it a Nova. It's the Chevelle. Let's see how he does on the U-turn. There we go. It works just fine, even on a heavy car. Pretty heavy. That is great. Let's try a pickup truck. Let's try the 69 Chevy and see if it'll work on the 69 Chevy. Yeah, it works. That is awesome. 69 Chevy did quite all right. Let me grab another one. Let's try the Cafer. Let's try the VW Cafer. This one's pretty new. One of the most recent ones I've found lately. I have found a few others, but this is one that's everyone's finding nowadays. Oops. Didn't shoot him fast enough. And yeah, it works. I just hadn't pushed it with enough force, but there we go. Cafer works. Awesome. I guess we can keep going, and they should all do just fine. Let me see. Get a nice exotic car. How about the Corvette, actually? Let's get the Corvette. I love this blue Corvette C8. So beautiful. 2020 Corvette C8. Let's try this one. Let's set it up. Nice. Man, it goes so fast, I can't even see the car. I can't even see the car. I guess I would have to film that in slow motion. And what about the Bronco? Let's try Let's try a 4x4. See if the Bronco will work. Let me see. Does he even fit in the track? It's kind of a tight fit. Yeah, these 4x4s don't do well on the track. I don't think that one will work. Let's try the Nissan. Nissan R390 GT1. Let's get it set up. There we go. Yep. Man, it goes so fast. Wow. That was pretty amazing. And well, let's try the Fast Fish again. It's the one that comes with it. See how he does. And I'm gonna try and shoot him off a little lighter speed there. See if it works. Wow, it really boosts the speed. You can't even see him coming out of there. Pretty cool. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed checking out this unboxing of the Curve Kicker. I didn't actually show you as I took them out of the package because it comes all tied up with a lot of little rubber things holding everything in place. The actual car comes in a plastic case. It has tape on the bottom and also a ring through it, holding it down and going through the cardboard, keeping it really secure so no one will open the package and take it. So it comes in really secure in there. This comes tied down with like 3 or 4 rubber bands or white elastic that goes through the cardboard in the back of the box. There's another box inside there. You can see where the holes are, where some of the plastic pieces that hold everything in place. And I think it's awesome. I think it's a great addition to the collection of the Track Builder system, Track Builder Unlimited. And if you need to, you can open this up and give it the shape that you need. So it's pretty cool. It gives you a lot of options. I think it's really great that they added this U-turn, and actually you can create all kinds of turns, all kinds of degrees, from an L turn to a semi U-turn, whatever. It's great. You get the idea. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video.